Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to add page border in LibreOffice Writer. In order to do that, we have opened a LibreOffice Writer doc and then you have to go to the format and then from there you have to go to the page style. If you're on Windows, you can also press Alt, Shift and P to open this dialog. Once you come here, you have to select this border. Here, they also have some presets. If you select this, all four borders of this document will have border. So select this and click apply. You will see that we have borders on all the sides. They have other presets. You can choose that. If you want to change the padding, let's say you want to change the padding a little bit more, say like this, you can apply and say click OK. It's been changed. Okay. Going back to the page style again. Here, if you want just to make changes on one side, you have to take this off. Okay. Now, this line, the border line here, you can change it. Let's say like doing this. See, like it changed. And you can also change the color. Let's say you want to have it as green. Click apply and it's green now. There are many styles here you can choose, and also like the thickness. If you want to have extra thickness, you can select that. You see like it changed. Okay, and moving back to the shadow style, and there are also shadow options. If you like, you can just play with them. You can change the color and you can also change the distance, but I would like to keep it with no shadow. And ideally, the border is actually better with green color and it's hella thick. So this is how you add page border in LibreOffice Writer. Now that we have helped you, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.